So it's been a little while and I haven't done part 3. It's been a little while since I've done it. So, yeah, I'll be doing it now. And, I'll be attempting to jump over the train and gorilla tag. You can see right here. There's the train. Yeah, I'll just be attempting to jump over it. So, let's go. So, we got the train. Let's go down to small size. Following the train. Come back here, train. Come back here, train. We'll stand like right here. We'll stand right here. Sorry, I gotta pull my sleeves because I'm running out. So, let's do first attempt. Okay, that was decent. Not good, but decent. So let's wait for the train to come by. 7. Second attempt. Okay. That was basically like the first one. Yeah, just gotta wait. Let's go jump in this time. Alright, third and last attempt. Here we go. Okay. Well, unfortunately, they're obviously a little rusty because I haven't done it in a while. It's been like a year. But yeah, if you want to see part 4, also get this video to 2 likes. That's gonna be my like goal. Just get it to 2 likes. Yeah, just get it to 2 likes and I'll do more parts because